Chainlink is one of the biggest and hottest cryptocurrencies we have. It is heading to the top slowly. However, I have always seen Chainlink as a good crypto. But this pump is just undeniable, which is making investors ask questions like, nay, will Chainlink keep pumping? Is Chainlink going to keep this momentum? Is it too late to buy a Chainlink coin? Investors still go on asking for the price prediction of Chainlink and my reasons for that. I'm Nay, a crypto enthusiast and investor. Please note that I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say about coins I talk about are from my researches and opinions. So when investing in any coin I recommend, kindly do a little more research to be on the safer side and do not forget to invest wisely. Without much saying, let's get into the discussion. Chainlink is one of the most successful crypto we have in the crypto space. It is ranked number 11th on the CoinMarketCap. So with this, I am sure you're not surprised with the pump of Chainlink now. As long as Bitcoin pumps, Chainlink will do the same. Right now, I feel like Chainlink is a good investment because I believe Bitcoin will keep its momentum in 2024. So if you have the money and you're interested in Chainlink, I will advise you to get it. Talking about the price, Chainlink is currently trading at $16, with a market capitalization of around $1 billion, a fully diluted market cap of $10 billion, and a 24-hour trading volume of $1.2 billion. All I have to say is that Chainlink won't give you 50x. So don't buy this coin with a massive gains mindset. Before ending this video, let's dive deep into Chainlink's full details for those interested in buying Link coin. Chainlink is the industry-standard Web3 services platform that has enabled trillions of dollars in transaction volume across DeFi, insurance, gaming, NFTs, and other major industries. As the leading decentralized Oracle network, Chainlink enables developers to build feature-rich Web3 applications with seamless access to real-world data and off-chain computation across any blockchain and provides global enterprises with a universal gateway to all blockchains. To fully comprehend the importance of Chainlink, it's critical to first understand the underlying value of blockchains and smart contracts. Generally, a blockchain is a decentralized network of computers that performs computation and stores data in a shared ledger. A blockchain differs from traditional, centralized computer systems in that no single person or group controls it. Everyone in the world has equal access to send it commands. The applications running on it and the data stored in it cannot be tampered with or deleted. All transactions processed over time are recorded in a continuously growing ledger. Transactions are paid for via a native cryptocurrency. Blockchains achieve these properties by having thousands of computers run the same software, process the same transactions, store the same data, and consistently cross-check one another to reach consensus as a network about what is valid. All these network operations are backed by monetary incentives that reinforce honest behavior and consensus. By redundantly validating and storing transactions across a large decentralized network of financially incentivized participants, blockchains make it extremely expensive and impractical to manipulate the shared ledger. Thus, blockchains are extremely secure and reliable systems for performing computation and storing data for processes involving two or more independent parties. The fundamental benefit of blockchains is that they mitigate counterparty risk, the risk that the other party in a contract won't uphold their end of the agreement. For example, if someone wants to make a digital trade with a stranger, how do they decide who sends money first, whether they have enough funds, and that the funds can't be spent twice, commonly known as the double spending problem? Traditionally, users would employ a third party such as a payment processor or clearinghouse to facilitate the trade or arbitrate a dispute. However, a blockchain serves as a more reliable, tamper-proof, and unbiased system for settling transactions. Users know that when they send a transaction to the blockchain, it will execute exactly as instructed. A blockchain's decentralized architecture is why Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies have emerged as such strong forms of money. Users can trust that no central administrator will inflate the supply, capped at 21 MBTC, and that the underlying Bitcoin blockchain showing who owns Bitcoin has been validated by thousands of computers across the world. Also, the decentralized design of the blockchain allows users to exchange value directly, peer-to-peer, removing custodial middlemen who can siphon off fees and censor transactions, ultimately allowing users to retain ownership over their assets and data. However, blockchains can support many use cases beyond simply moving and recording money on a ledger. Some highly programmable blockchains allow a more expressive set of commands, specifically through running applications on the network that trigger actions based on specific, predefined events. If X event happens, then execute Y action. For example, if Flight 777 is cancelled tomorrow, issue an insurance payout of $77. If not, then don't make the payment. These blockchain applications, which can process a wider range of logic, are referred to as smart contracts, and have been the subject of much of the development around blockchains since Ethereum first introduced them at scale in 2015. According to the use cases of Chainlink, by providing strong security and reliability guarantees on par with the blockchain, more advanced smart contracts are being created using Chainlink oracles. While the team have already outlined 77 smart contract use cases enabled by Chainlink, some of the main ones include decentralized finance, DeFi. Many traditional financial products like loans, payments, derivatives, asset equity, and more are being built on the blockchain using smart contracts to increase their security and transparency and reduce barriers to entry. These DeFi applications use Chainlink to price assets, access interest rates, verify collateralization, and more, which enable these products to perform functions like issue a loan at fair market value, automate the issuance of dividends, and settle an options contract. Insurance smart contracts are also being leveraged to create parametric insurance contracts on the blockchain. Chainlink is currently being used in production to provide weather data to the arbol crop insurance market, enabling farmers all over the world to obtain parametric crop insurance simply with an internet connection, which is settled in a fair and timely manner according to the amount of rainfall, temperature, or other evaluators the policy is set to, e.g. if it rains more than X amount this year, payout Y settlement. Gaming developers are also beginning to launch smart contract-based gaming applications on the blockchain that often incorporate non-fungible tokens, NFT, as scarce digital collectibles. One of the key building blocks of many blockchain games is a source of randomness to generate random in-game scenarios or determine the lucky winner of prizes. Chainlink provides a randomness solution called VRF, which generates randomness and delivers it to the smart contract in a manner where users can prove it is fair and unbiased, as neither the players, game creators, or external entities can tamper with or manipulate the randomness to their advantage. This will be the end of the video. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and invest wisely. Thanks.